Hello everyone. Let's start for today. The topic of today is how conscious parents can raise conscious kids. What is the term conscious here means? First of all, how can you be conscious in order to raise conscious kids? And how is conscious a relatable word to you all people? Let me tell you what a conscious person is. A conscious person is aware of your own thoughts, aware of your own actions, taking responsibility. Very few people over here will take responsibility for what they do. हमने ये करा था. We had thought of this thing. We actually in real life we think a lot, many thoughts, some 8 lakh some thoughts come to our minds every day in a single day. So during these thoughts we think good also and we think bad also. It is never like that कि हम हमेशा अच्छा ही सोचते हैं. It is always going to be, will be always positive. Nobody in the world can be always positive. No one, not a single person in the world can be always positive. So during this day, when you think about some 8 lakh thoughts, you will be positive also, you will be negative also, you will be sad also, you will be angry also, you will be aggressive also. You might think of something like, मुझे ऐसे आंसर देना चाहिए था उसको. Why didn't I give? We always think that's a normal, natural process. We all go through this process. It's human nature, basic human nature that we go through. So that doesn't matter right now that whatever you think is right or wrong. First of all, being conscious of you think, acceptance of that you think and you are like this is the most important thing of being a conscious person. Thinking and accepting are two different things. In your subconscious mind, you must be thinking, किसी ने कुछ something done wrong or right might give you a positive impact as well as a negative impact. You might think good about that person, you might think bad about that person. And accepting that you thought bad. Hi Sharmishta, thank you so much. Accepting this thing that you have thought bad is very important. It is the first step in your transformation. And when you transform, आप बच्चे को कहते हो आपने झूठ बोला था, आपने एक्सेप्ट क्यों नहीं करा. इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग. बच्चे कुछ एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. आपने गलती करी, आपने एक्सेप्ट क्यों नहीं करा. आप भी कुछ करते हो, you are not always the person who will accept it. आप हमेशा एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हो, तो आप बच्चे से क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करते हो. पहले change yourself, become a conscious person yourself. First of all, accept yourself. Even today, if I ask any one person also now to write down the thoughts, complete thoughts you have thought the whole day, you will not write and show. If you write, you will not show it to anybody. I can promise you that nobody is ready to share his or her thoughts with any one single person. Whether I am saying closest to you. Hi Sheetal, thanks for joining in. Even the closest person to you, let it be your mom who knows you so well, you will not share your thoughts with her. This is the impact of your thoughts. I was telling that you might be thinking it is something 8 lakh something thoughts which come to you every day, and you are not ready to accept your own thoughts. Becoming conscious, first of all, the first step comes as being accepting your own thinking. What you think, you need to accept that. And we people are not ready to accept our own thinking. If you jot down all the thoughts you had during the day, whether happy, whether sad, whether aggressive, whether something like I want to speak out my mind, I will say this thing to that person, this thing to that person, उसने मुझे ऐसे बोला, मैं उसको ऐसे बोल दूंगी. These thoughts that keep running in your mind, You will not write and show it to any person. This type of thoughts we all have. Everyone has. It is not that only you have or only a person who needs counseling has. Each and every individual on this earth experiences this variety of thoughts. This thoughts needs to be, when you accept these thoughts, when you think and you are sure that you want to change yourself, that person on changing becomes the conscious you. Accepting your thoughts, taking actions to improve them, it results in a conscious you. When you accept it, your child will automatically start accepting. बच्चे ने झूठ बोला, बच्चे ने कोई काम गलत करा, एक्सेप्ट नहीं करा, वो आपकी वाइब्रेशन से बच्चे ने सीखा है. The kid has learned it. वो सीख के नहीं आया था. बट उसकी वाइब्रेशंस करेक्ट करने के लिए आपको अपनी वाइब्रेशंस करेक्ट करनी पड़ेंगी पहले. दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस सेशन अबाउट, द कॉन्शियस यू. When you become conscious, you raise conscious kids. The kids, they think about what they are thinking. When you know this, you have this knowledge, you know the path, you travel through this path of becoming conscious. You can lead your children also, your husband also, your in-laws also, your parents also into becoming a conscious person. Only one person can change the whole world. Even you won't believe it, that if you change, I'll give you a very simple example which we face it. We have been hearing it since long. All these rapes and everything going on. Everyone wants to make a difference to the society. How can you make a difference to the society? By becoming conscious yourself. When you become conscious, you tell your husband, आप मेरे को equal importance दोगे ना? Because you have become conscious of your thoughts. You change your husband's thoughts. You tell him, नहीं ये procedure ये वाला है. He will give equal importance to you in the family, in the society. He might be giving. I'm not saying all husbands are like that. He might be giving. But in the subconscious mind, it is like कि mama, husband, जैसे your mom-in-law will take rest and you will do all the work. That creates an impact on the kid. What impact it creates? It's a very vast thing I'm telling you right now. What impact it creates? मम्मा काम कर रही है, मम्मा काम करने के लिए है. दादी आराम कर रही है, पापा आराम कर रहे हैं, मेरे को भी आराम करना है. All the male in the family have to take rest. The female have to work. The female are there to work. Mentality कैसे एकदम change हो जाती है. The female are there to work. ये चीज is the seed. This is the seed of treating the females with inequality. You are giving this. Might be your children must be very educated, very well mannered. You must be very educated. You must be teaching them everything. But this small acts of yours will result in the societal change that women should be treated equal. So we were talking about the conscious you. The conscious you is more about knowing your own self, more about evolving your own self. First of all, I told you that you need to organize your mind. You need to see what all you think, write it down. It's a complete procedure that you need to go through to become conscious. For that, you need to write down your thoughts. And once you write down your thoughts, you will automatically get the acknowledgement. Yeah, I used to think this way. Very strange. I used to think in such a manner. Oh my God, I need to change my thinking. I need to upgrade my thinking. You can say another word. Upgrade your thinking. You might not be thinking the worst for anyone, but still your thoughts are not to the purity level you were thinking you were. You as a person are thinking that I am so nice to other people, I am so good to other people, and why other people treat me like this? Here comes the answer, because your thoughts vibrations go to other persons and they get those vibrations. You need to work on that. These vibrations will create an impact for sure, and once you improve those vibrations, this impact you will see automatically. Even after that, if people think bad about you, your vibrations will change their thinking. एक थॉट अगले को, बिकॉज अगले का प्रोसेस ऑफ थिंकिंग नहीं चेंज होगा, अगले को आएगा मन में नेगेटिव थॉट, बट वो इंस्टेंटली पॉजिटिव पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज योर वाइब्रेशंस विल बी सो स्ट्रांग. दिस इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ बिकमिंग अ कॉन्शियस यू, and you becoming emotionally strong, becoming conscious of each and every thought of yours, conscious of each and every actions of yours, and conscious, emotionally being stable. Emotionally you will channelize and you will open new paths for yourself. I am sure, and I have done it personally. You will open such brilliant paths for yourself that you won't recognize ki this is done by me. Obviously there's God's grace always there, but your efforts will be 100%, 200% once you improve your thinking process, once you evolve as a conscious person. So you have right now, you have a lot of negative thoughts in yourself which you don't acknowledge, which we want you to acknowledge. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता होगा आप कितने ऐसे थॉट्स ले लेते हो या सोच लेते हो. यू जस्ट वेव देम ऑफ. अच्छा चलो छोड़ो, हो गया, इस बात को छोड़ो, आगे बढ़ो. दीज थॉट नीड टू बी रजिस्टर्ड. यू नीड टू एक्नॉलेज देम, यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट देम. हाँ मैंने ऐसे सोचा था, बिकॉज यू हैव रिटन देम, यू हैव अ प्रूफ. येस आई हैड थॉट लाइक दैट. राइट डाउन योर थॉट्स, ईच एंड एवरी थॉट. In earlier times people used to write diaries. That was a wonderful way of expressing yourself, and expressing yourself really helps. So first of all, we'll all write down our thoughts, then we'll come inside of our, the fourth point is we will free ourselves from our unconscious habits. We right now don't know what habits we follow, what thinking we follow, what thinking pattern we follow as parents, as human beings. As parents also, many at times people think ki we'll be very positive parents, and they try. It is not they don't try, they try, but their shift is so much that the kid gets confused. You try to be positive, but suddenly you shift from positive, because the kid is not listening to you. You shift from being positive to being a little stern. होना पड़ेगा, ये सुन नहीं रहा बात को यार, होना पड़ेगा. बट उस टाइम जो आपका थॉट प्रोसेस है, दैट इज सेंडिंग सो हाई वाइब्रेशंस टू द किड कि आपकी वर्बल से ज़्यादा आपकी वाइब्रेशंस उस पर इतना इम्पैक्ट कर जाती हैं कि आपकी पॉजिटिविटी जो आप पॉजिटिव पेरेंटिंग में देने जा रहे थे, दैट वैनिशेस. इट्स कंप्लीटली गॉन. This is the power of your thoughts, and why I want you to become conscious. This is the power you have in your hands. Everyone will treat you as you want. Just register your thoughts. Just evolving yourself as a conscious person, you will get everything. Every person's respect, whatever you want. Just you need to change yourself into not simply by saying हाँ मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव हो गई हूँ ना, मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव सोचती हूँ, मैं बहुत ही पॉजिटिव सोचती हूँ आजकल, मैं अपनी तरफ से 100% ट्राई कर रही हूँ. दैट इज अ प्रोसीजर. आई विल नॉट से इट्स कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग, बट दैट इज नॉट द कंप्लीट प्रोसीजर. द स्टेप बाय स्टेप व्हेन यू गो फ्रॉम बिकमिंग अ नॉर्मल पर्सन टू अ कॉन्शियस पर्सन, यू इवन सिट डाउन अलोन, and then you notice ki your consciousness is so on high that if you're sitting alone also, you will notice this thing, that what procedure I am following while thinking when nobody is watching me. is the conscious you. When nobody is watching you is the conscious you. Now next becomes, you become emotionally stable. When you think of becoming conscious, you think, what are you thinking? Before thinking, you think. It is always said, think before you talk. No, I am saying think before you think, because your thinking carries vibrations. And once you think in a good way, in a normal way, let's be let's be very clear and very original, no fakiness. Not everyone can be positive every time. I told you in the ad also, in my promotions also, that everyone will have the highs and lows of life, and you cannot be positive all the time, but you can be stable. दुख आया है चला जाएगा, सुख आता है सुख जाता है, दुख आता है दुख भी जाएगा. The only thing you need is, you need to be stable. You need to have faith in yourself, and this faith will develop when you improve your thinking. You will be unmatched. I swear, you will be in another world. Living in this world, experiencing another world by becoming conscious. जब आपके माइंड में कोई नेगेटिव वाइब्रेशंस क्रिएट नहीं होंगे, आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव मूड में रहेंगे. Whether it is happiness, whether it is sadness. If somebody is treating you bad, doesn't matter. You will not feel it. You will not feel bad. Why you will not feel bad? Because it is their karmas. It is their actions. You don't need to bother about it. There is no need for you to bother what the other person is doing. It is their actions. They are responsible for their actions. You notice your actions and take care of your actions and your thoughts and your vibrations you are creating. The other person will even crave for your vibes. मुझे इस इंसान के साथ बैठना है, ये इंसान इतना क्लियर है. I am not telling you to be positive all the time. I am telling you to be clear. Clear and positive में बहुत difference है. Once you are clear what you want, once you send these vibrations, your thoughts are clear, your thinking process is clear. You send these vibrations to everybody. I am picture clear of what I am, what I want, what I'll tolerate, what I'll not tolerate, how I will behave, how I will not behave. Everything is clear. Other person gets clear automatically. This is the power of becoming a conscious you. Then you will also come to know what is the thing that is blocking the changes you want to bring in your life. You want your life to change. You want your life to improvise. You want to improvise your habits. You want to improvise your routine. You want to improvise your kids. You want to improve your kids. You need to evolve yourself first. And your kids will get the vibrations. When you say frustratingly that मैं अब तुम्हें कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं, मैं तुमसे इतनी परेशान हो चुकी हूँ ना, you are sad. Actually you are feeling sad. Actually you are very upset with yourself and with your kids. That why don't you listen to me? You want to say this and you are saying मैं तुमसे अब कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं. मैंने तुमसे कुछ कहना ही नहीं है ना. तुम्हारा जो दिल में आता है तुम वो करो. Right? But the thing is, you are feeling sad. The sadness vibration is not going. The frustrated vibration, frustration वाला जो vibration होगा, that will go. Sadness, your child will not feel your sadness. उसको आपके actual emotions ही पता नहीं चलेंगे. Even in my first session, I told you, share your feelings with your child purely. I mentioned this word completely without any emotions. That is why I said कि vibrations अगर गलत जाएंगे then your child will not acknowledge your feelings. You need your child to acknowledge your feelings. जब बच्चे ने feelings acknowledge कर ली, then only you will get the result out of it. And to acknowledge that feelings, you need to acknowledge your feelings first. पहले आप खुद तो acknowledge करो what you're feeling. Then you will send out those feeling vibrations to your child. Your child will catch that vibration. Children are very pure. They catch every vibration. I can give you a very simple example for this also. एक बच्चे को अगर आप just a newborn child, you are feeding that newborn child, you are feeling the pain, you are feeling irritated. I've been feeding you for so long and you are not getting the thing. You are not getting satisfied only. What is the fuss all about? The child will start crying. This is the power of vibrations. That is why I am saying you need to be conscious about yourself, your inside. Know your inside out. Sit calmly. Know your inside out. Then only you will raise conscious children. And these conscious children, once they know how to acknowledge their own feelings, they know what they want from life, they have their set clear goals, they have their set clear thinking. This thinking will help them achieve every success in life. Their clear thinking is in your hands. Your child's future is in your hands. Your child will become a free bird, and this free bird will fly higher and higher in the sky. Do this for your own children. Next thing is about this whole conscious you. I have also written one example of a mirror where suppose in your room there is a mirror, and that mirror is not straight. It's not a plain mirror. One mirror is concave, one is convex, one is zigzag. All these kinds of mirror you have in the room. You see yourself in this mirror every day. Every day, the moment you stand in front of the mirror, you see your broken self, or your concave self, or your convex self, not your true self. This is what is happening in our lives also, and this is what is happening in our children's life also. They are seeing their convex self, their concave self, their zigzag self, not their true self. And you need to tell them, you need to help them recognize their true selves. Once they know their true selves, they will be able to find out what they are interested in, what is their hobby, what they excel in, what subject do they like, studies is meant for them or not. You won't need to go into any career counselor or any person like this, because their mind will be so developed and so evolved. They will be so evolved that they will help their friends in evolving. They will fight their battles on their own. They don't need your help also. In school, even you see in school many battles the kids have to fight themselves. You are not always there to help them. Build their morale in such a way. Here are few tips and tools I'll give you, how you can build your morale and how you can let your child also go through this journey. First of all, this remedy is meditating. Everyone knows meditation is very good. How do you meditate depends on you. Meditation has thousands of ways. But finding the true way, I found it in meditating, in closing my eyes, sitting in a calm place, and since I am a Sikh, I take out the sound Vaheguru. This Vaheguru starts from here, comes through here. From here it comes out and goes into my ear. I try to listen to my own voice. This completes the whole circle. See, it goes in my ear, goes in my head, comes from my head to my mouth. This completing the whole circle energizes me in a positive way. This is my way of meditating. You need to find out your way of meditating. It can be anything. You need to tell your children also to meditate. You will see a drastic change in them. Their hyperness, their angriness, their aggressiveness, their not sitting. Many people complain, our kids are not stable, they don't sit for 5 minutes to study. Our kids are not interested in activities. जो concentration span है only 5 minutes. All these tips are going to improve all this. It is solution to all your problems. Meditation even a 1-year-old can do. Just play the music, see the 1-year-old enjoy. Even a newborn might be crying. Start meditation as early as possible and see the wonders of meditation. The second comes is, this point is very vast and I'm going to explain you, and please listen to it carefully. It's very important. Very, very, very important. It is, in my words, it's be a victim, be a witness, not a victim. Be a witness, not a victim. Something must be happening around you, involving you, regarding you. We all live in families. Your husband must be talking to someone. Your any relative must be talking to someone. You must be eager to get involved in any one conversation. Your child must be eager to get involved. बच्चे होते हैं ना, बड़ी जल्दी जंप कर जाते हैं conversations के अंदर. I want to give my comments. Teach your child to be the witness, not the victim. Listen. किस बारे में बात हो रही है, क्या बात हो रही है. Unless and until your opinion is asked, don't interfere. This will reduce your thoughts to just, I will say, just half. Your child's thoughts to half. जब थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, उसका थॉट प्रोसेस कम हो जाएगा ना, उसको सोचना कम पड़ेगा, उसके ब्रेन को रेस्ट मिलेगा, देन योर चाइल्ड विल गेट काम. कामनेस आएगा आपके अंदर, आपके बच्चे के अंदर. देयर विल बी सटलनेस, कामनेस इन इट, इन हिम, इन हर, इन यू. एक कामनेस आएगा जब आप किसी भी कॉन्वर्सेशन में जंप आउट नहीं करोगे कि हाँ, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू कमेंट. इट इज रिगार्डिंग मी, it is regarding my house, it is regarding my kitchen, it is regarding the food I cook, anything in the world. Until and unless your opinion is asked, don't speak. If the person is not talking to you, if the person is not talking to you, don't speak. Train your child also like that. आपसे किसी ने पूछा था, नहीं पूछा बेटा, मत बोलो. Stay out of it. The more you stay out of it, the more you stay out of it, the more you will not think about it. And just staying out is not enough. You don't have to think about it. जो भी बोल रहे हैं उन दोनों की प्रॉब्लम है, वो दोनों बोल रहे हैं. आपके बच्चे को यू हैव टू ट्रेन इट दैट वे. अगर वो आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो दोनों कर रहे हैं, आपके बारे में बात करें, लेट देम टॉक. सो व्हाट, even if 90% of the school stuff will be solved like this. आपके बारे में बात कर रहे थे, you don't even bother. Don't even bother. I had been taught in a very bad way this thing. Somebody told me that when an elephant walks on the road, the dogs bark. Even if you have to say this to your child, tune his mind, his or her mind to this level. जो भी आपके बारे में बात कर रहा है वो उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, वो आपके बारे में क्या सोचता है. वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि वो आपके बारे में क्या सोचता है. सिंस उसको अगर प्रॉब्लम है आपके बारे में कोई, लेट देम कम टू यू एंड टॉक. यू डोंट जंप इन द कॉन्वर्सेशन. And if you think that person is this much important, once the conversation is finished, go to that person calmly, alone, and then talk. Don't jump into conversations. which are not meant for you. Stay out and stay away. Next thing is break the circle. Now, what is a circle? A circle involves a series of actions. Something might be happening in your life regularly. Someone must be doing some action. You must be getting pissed off. You must be doing something in return. The other person must be getting pissed off. Then again he must be doing something. This is a circle. It's making a complete and clear circle. You need to break that circle. Someone is doing something bad for you. That's his problem. That's his action. If it is not affecting me, why should I get bothered? Teach your child also each and everything I'm telling you. Your child will evolve so wonderfully. This will take time in children. Each and every step will take a lot of time in children. But you will get benefited to such a big height that you will be on the top of this world. You need to break this circle of feelings and actions. Once you break this circle, you will start getting the positive results. एक बच्चा है दूसरे बच्चे को इरिटेट करता है रोज. बच्चा इरिटेट करता है, वो बच्चा इरिटेट होता है. इन रिटर्न वो बच्चा कुछ करता है. इन हिज डिफेंस, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो इरिटेट करने के लिए करता है. इन हिज डिफेंस एक बच्चा कुछ करता है, दूसरा बच्चा रिटर्न में डिफेंस में कुछ करता है. फर्स्ट वाला बच्चा इरिटेट होता है, अगेन वो बच्चा इरिटेट करने के लिए सेकंड वाले बच्चे को कुछ करता है. The second bacha needs to break the circle, needs to evolve. I have taught this circle thing to my 7-year-old and my 7-year-old is applying it. It is not impossible, dear. Everyone will get benefited. Just try it. But you need to reinforce these things. I'm saying again and again, reinforce these things every now and then. Every day might be, every hour might be. And for these reinforcements, you have to build these things within yourself first. Evolve and live a wonderful life. There will be peace in hard times also. Just evolve. There will be hard times. Nobody can stop your hard times. Whatever is destined to come will come. But when you are evolved, you will not feel the hard times as hard times. Now, next step again seems to be the same thing, but I'll explain you again. Speak less and observe more. Once you stop jumping into conversations other people are having about you also, even if two people are conversing about you, you can hear them, just leave it to them. Just simply leave them alone. Let them talk behind your back. They are not worth it. They are not worth that you give your time, your effort, your explanations to them. They are not worth it. Speak less. Once you start speaking less without involving in anything, much more, don't speak. Don't go on speaking all the day. The kids also start saying this thing. Once you speak so much, the kids saying, Mama, ab jao, aapse छुटकारा तो मिलेगा. Even I have heard these things happening. आपसे छुटकारा मिलेगा. एक माँ से बच्चे को छुटकारा मिलेगा. Speak less. Make your words value. Once you speak less, and you tell your child also, there is no need to talk to everyone in the class. ठीक है? Make few friends. Everyone should be in the positive frame of mind. Everyone cannot be a friend. Everyone cannot be close to your child, but every child can be in a positive frame. Your child can be positive towards everybody. Keep your child, say to your child that you be positive for everybody and just do friendship with 4, 5, 6 people whom you like. A smaller group is always good. Truly a smaller group is good. Then after that, if you then he'll speak automatically, he'll speak to only 5-6 people ज़्यादा. When he'll speak less, you will see that he is speaking less, he is storing something in his brain. The knowledge he is gaining, every second a child gains knowledge. When he steps into the van, from that moment when he steps out to the school, when he sees 2,500 3,000 people all together, each and every moment your child is gaining something or the other. He is storing that in the brain. There will come a time when his brain will be ready to analyze what is good, what is bad. This strength we are building. When it comes the time, your child needs to analyze that what I am doing, should I do or not. Make his own decision when you are not there to decide for him. We are building this power in him that he'll always decide what the right thing. We are building his values. Speaking less is very beneficial in the whole world, but not with you. He should speak less in the class. Okay, no problem. Less means not like a chatterbox. Less doesn't mean not at all. But with you, he should pour his heart out completely. This is my comfort zone. I can speak anything. In the starting, if your child feels like abusing someone, let them become that comfort zone. Let them abuse. Slowly and steadily you will improve this thing also. But first, let them consider you as a comfort zone. Now next is making a journal. Earlier also I told you in the beginning that everybody needs to jot down what they think. Your child also needs to jot down what he thinks. Once he starts maintaining a journal, you will notice improvement in his thought process. When his thought process will improve, his actions will automatically improve. His frustration will come down, his irritation will come down. मैं क्या करूँ will come down. मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है will come down. Because in useless thoughts से उसका mind empty हो जाएगा. He will get something to think about, something useful to think about. जब वो useful सोचना शुरू करेगा, इस procedure में enter होना शुरू करेगा, he might see some ad on the TV and get an idea. Wow, I need to make this. I need to make a working model of a solar system. It's holidays right now. What am I doing? I've never seen a solar system working. This way, the thought process will improve and start working. Once you start writing your journal, how will you get benefited? Thoughts will leave, bekar ke thoughts will leave your mind. Then you will get, I am free yaar, what should I do? How can I improve in teaching my children? You will get time to think about the new ideas. How can you improvise yourself to teach your children, to get involved with your children? This improvisation is not happening because your mind is full of thoughts. Release those thoughts by writing. When you write, you release the thoughts, your mind gets the signal that this thought has been given an answer. It is not given an answer, but the mind is getting this signal. Once you are writing, you are getting this signal that this thought has been given an answer. So now I am free to think something. When you free your mind to think something, you will try to think positive. Next thing is, all those who don't read, you need to gear up. Start reading. Once you start reading, your mind will automatically start thinking less. You will go, into a fantasy world. That fantasy world is required for a little time. And once you get addicted to that world, you will start reading automatically some real things. Take a novel, take something of XYZ of your interest to read. Whether it's Femina only, start reading that. Nobody minds. It is your personal interest. You want to read what? Read as much as you can. Tune your brain not to think but to grasp knowledge. When you read, you are not thinking, you are grasping knowledge. Once your brain gets tuned to grasping knowledge rather than thinking बेकार के thoughts, you will get evolved. Very simple things are these. Very simple things. Everybody knows these in and out. But everyone knows these in and out. But we forget. We forget these simple things. We forget to apply. Why we forget? Because we are so occupied. Our mind is so occupied to think about these simple thoughts. We are clearing our mind right now. And next is activate the child in you. When we do our parenting sessions now, we have these 4 parenting styles in this. Here I am referring to one of those parenting styles. Activate your child in you. Your child is laughing out loud without any rhyme or reason, dancing wildly. बच्चे करते हैं ना छोटा. That is something which is buried inside you. You need to take that out. Enjoy the small joys which you get in your life. Your children are happy right now. They are in masti mood. They want to do pillow fight. Why don't you join in for just 10 minutes? After 10 minutes, tell them, we'll play for 10 minutes and then we'll stop. Just join them and see the satisfaction you will have seeing your kids laughing out loud and enjoying thoroughly. And you also activating the child, experiencing your childhood again. What a wonderful moment it will be. Activate the child in you as much as you can. Do painting with your children. Do drawing with your children. Not as a burden, not to teach them. Don't teach them everything. They will learn automatically. When I said na, you need to read for yourself. Just pick up a book while before sleeping for 10 minutes every day for around 15 days. Within 15 days, your child will start reading. Many parents face this problem. They come to me saying, हमारा बच्चा रीडिंग नहीं करता है. हाउ टू एनकरेज रीडिंग? यू रीड. जस्ट डू दिस सिंपल एक्सरसाइज विद देम. दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑफ रीडिंग which you are doing for your own self will encourage your child to read. मम्मी पापा जो करते हैं बच्चों को कॉपी करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. मम्मा किचन में खाना बनाती है तो बच्चों को मम्मा की हेल्प करनी होती है, बड़ा मजा आता है. फिर हम भूल गए ना कि हमने ये नोटिस ही नहीं करा कि बच्चा हमें देख के हमारे काम करने में बड़ा इंटरेस्ट ले रहा है. तो हम जो काम करेंगे बच्चा वो कॉपी करेगा. दैट मीन्स अगर आप रीड करोगे तो बच्चा रीड करेगा, आप ड्रॉ करोगे तो बच्चा ड्रॉ करेगा, आप लिखोगे तो बच्चा लिखेगा, आप पढ़ोगे तो बच्चा पढ़ेगा. आप अगर एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन करोगे, स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. इफ यू I started studying with my kids because I was doing these courses. I was like, नहीं मुझे पढ़ना है, मेरा ये आज टारगेट है. You are more focused. मेरा टारगेट है कि मुझे ये चैप्टर आज फिनिश करना है. My son also started setting targets and his grades improved a lot. I didn't had to force him anyways कि तुम पढ़ते नहीं रहे हो और तुम्हारी grades नहीं आ रही हैं or anything like that. He just saw me studying. He started studying. I taught him subconsciously the pattern of studying by not screaming, by not shouting. Take up some simple course now, some calligraphy course. Determination. Tell them determination matters. Tell them consistency matters. Tell them patience matters. When you do the simple course, they will learn these traits. It's very easy to teach children. Don't target them. If you target them ना, मेरे को अपने बच्चे को ये सिखाना है, आज से मैं उसको किसी भी तरीके सिखा दूंगी. तरीका ये है सिखाने का. आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, गो फॉर अदर वे अराउंड. रीडिंग तो आप कर सकते हो. देर आर मैनी 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 मोर वेज. आप ABCD लिखना खुद शुरू कर दो ना. हाउ डज इट मैटर दैट यू नो? बच्चे को तो नहीं पता ना, यू नो. स्टार्ट अ पेज ऑफ A एवरी डे. योर चाइल्ड विल फॉलो. 3-year-old 4-year-old जो कि पेंसिल नहीं पकड़ता. मुझे तो बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. एंड डोंट एम्फेसाइज ऑन मेरे को तो बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है, मैं तो ये रोज़ करूँगी एंड ऑल दैट. नो, just do your work. He will notice. When the child will notice, he will start following you. Similarly, when you start becoming conscious, the child will notice. Vibrations आपके वैसे ही जा रहे होंगे, noticing non-stop चल रही होगी. The child will follow you. वो खुद conscious होना शुरू हो जाएगा अपने thought process को लेके. Now, I need to conclude this because I can go on speaking on this topic for hours and hours, but that is no use occupying everyone so much. One last quote of Sadhguru, which I like a lot, and I try to revise it as many times as possible, is what your consciousness is intensely focused on. What your consciousness is intensely focused on. If you are intensely focused, your consciousness is intensely focused on becoming someone, on becoming a successful doctor, on becoming a successful parent, on becoming a successful person, on becoming a calm person, on becoming a simple person, leading a simple life. Your consciousness is focused on this thing, then what you will manifest in your life is what your consciousness wants. When your consciousness is so focused, become focused today, everyone. Learn one thing here. Right now, promise yourself, we will be focused on what? Think of one target. Together we'll do it. I am promising you I'll help you through the process completely in every way I can. Think of one target and apply all your consciousness day and night on that target, and you will achieve that. I promise you. Give all your thoughts to that target. Whether it is becoming a good person, whether it is becoming a good parent, anything in the world, just think about that only. And this time I am inviting you all, please either write down in the comment section or inbox me your targets, and I will help you achieve that. The next session also we have thought about it, but let's see what you all want. Whatever you all want me to discuss in the next session, I am willing to do that. Now, if there are any questions regarding anything about this session, about the previous session, about anything you want, I am ready to answer them. Please everyone, if there are any questions. Hi Pia, sorry I didn't realize you joined in. I hope you liked the session. Any questions everyone? Till then, I request you all to please go on my Facebook page, A Conscious Person, hit a like button. I'll really appreciate that. I will appreciate your positive comments. I like them. Obviously, everyone does like a positive comment. Any questions are most welcome. I'll address to them personally. In the last session, I just came to this point. In the last session, I can recall someone asking, I don't remember the name right now, asking that the children are getting stubborn about going out to play or going out to the malls and all the play areas. The children are getting stubborn, and how to deal with them. Just a second. In this case, as I told you earlier also, that I want everyone to talk to your child. Once you start talking, tell them about the benefits of staying inside the house, what is coronavirus, what impact it has on our lives, how you can be safe while staying in your house, and how precious your children are to you. Explain them everything. You need to mention this point that you are very precious to me. How can I risk your life like this? And make your house, turn your house upside down into a playful and joyful atmosphere. A very happy place where your child doesn't get bored. You don't need any gadgets for this. You don't need to set up so many activities for your child. Once you are always in a joyful and playful mood, not irritated, finding play in every work you do, your child will get involved. You are cleaning the floor, tell them to help you. Last time also I told you, you don't need to share your activities which you do with your child to others. It is you who is evolving your children. It is you who is upbringing them. You need to teach them. कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं होता, कोई भी काम बड़ा नहीं होता. You need to teach them. Treat your subordinates also as equal. Give them respect. You need to teach them. Every person deserves a respect. How can you teach them? When they do every work that Didi is doing, that your maid is doing. Once she does this work, your child will be doing this work. अगली बार बच्चा बोलेगा, अच्छा दीदी आप बर्तन धो रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं आप काम कर लो, मैं पानी ले लूँगा अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. We are going to instill all these values in the child without pinpointing, without lecturing, without emphasizing on the qualities. We are going to do it the other way around. This is what I believe in. बच्चे को बैठ के आपको सबको एक साथ ट्रीट करना चाहिए, आपको किसी को इंसल्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. बच्चे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कुछ समझ नहीं आता बच्चे को ऐसे. Rather teach them the other way around. You know what? हमारे बच्चे, I have known so many big shot people. They send their children for higher studies outside India, and there their children are working at McDonald's. वहाँ पे they are giving them the freedom. You work at McDonald's, you earn money, just because they want to teach them what hard work means. हम घर में बंद रह के भी दिखा सकते हैं उनको भी अभी से what is hard work, what are subordinates are. We all have this thing. Working mates सबके पास है, यहाँ पार्ट टाइम आती हैं, anything XYZ. And jumping back to the topic, your child will stop will stop emphasizing on going out. Once you tell them everything, the pros and cons of coronavirus, how precious they are to you, and what you ask them, what do you want me to do so that you are happy inside only. We will do that. Whatever you decide, these 2 hours you get bored now, we will do whatever you want. In these 2 hours we'll do whatever you want and you can enjoy yourself out. But mama is bound, beta. Mama can't take you out. You are very precious to mama. अगर मैं आपको बाहर ले गई, आपको कुछ भी हो गया, तो फिर मम्मा तो बहुत सैड फील करेगी, मम्मा बहुत क्राई करेगी. मम्मा तो आपको बहुत लव करती है. आप चाहते हो मम्मा को कुछ हो, आप मम्मा को लव करते हो, मम्मा को कुछ नहीं हो ना. ऐसे ही मम्मा ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स दैट यू स्टे हेल्दी. इसीलिए तो मम्मा आपको इतनी हेल्दी चीज़ें खिला रही है. देयर आर मेनी वेज ऑफ यू नो योर चाइल्ड. Motherly instinct say once you start telling them, once you start making them understand things, the basic thing is you need to be clear about what you want them to understand. Your motherly instinct is going to help in this. So now I think we need to wind off, as it's already been more than an hour or so, and no questions. I'm still waiting for your questions. If there are any, I'll address to them on personal. Okay, dear. Thank you everyone for joining in and hope to see you again on next Wednesday 8 p.m. I am waiting for your comments, as in for what topic you want for the next session. We'll take up that topic also. If not, then I'll take up as planned. But prefer to take your topic. See you. Good night, everyone. Bye bye.